have a thumb-sized chef cook up food right in front of you on your table. That is so cool, right? Growing up, fairy tales played a very big part of my life. Even after I grew up, I watched movies like The Ratatouille and totally loved it. Today, I'm going to be experiencing something very similar with a tiny 3D chef actually cooking on my table. Welcome to Le Petit Chef.
Le Petit Chef is a creation of the artists at a Belgian-based company, Smcombining, and was first launched in May 2015. This unique 3D mapping project became an instant internet sensation, racking up millions of views. The experience has now come to Mumbai at a restaurant called Celini at the Grand Hyatt in Mumbai.
The smallest, that is a 58mm chef, actually cooks a food live on your table using 3D mapping interactive technology. I don't think I'm going to believe this until I actually experience it myself. So come on, let's go. So start off by arriving at the Le Petit Lounge, where you will be greeted with a cocktail or a mocktail to begin with. So we're finally in here where all the drama is going to be beginning, and I think I'm going to be going with vegetarian menu. Well, and once you've chosen your menu, get ready for a 6-course meal, and also a beverage of your choice would be available throughout and after your meals.
My name is Vicinity. I'm the Director Food and Beverage of Grand Hyatt Mumbai Hotel and Residences. Who are you?
Me? I'm Chef Alessandro, chef of Celini restaurant.
Wow. Have you heard about this?
The tiny chef uses cutting-edge technology and storytelling through taste, flavors, sound and table patterns. The experience is whimsical and fun for people of every age. It's a tad bit expensive to indulge in this experience. The vegetarian meal is priced at 6,999 plus taxes. The Le Petit Chef menu is priced at 7,999 plus taxes, and the gourmet menu is priced at 10,999 plus taxes. But since it's an experience like no other, it's totally worth it.
Here are some of my favorites from the vegetarian menu.
Today, Le Petit Chef cooks on tables at 5-star restaurants in Dubai, Russia, Singapore, Japan, Korea, France, Spain and now in India.
This was actually a magical experience watching all that theatre happening right on my plate. I have so much to take back home. If you've liked this video and want to see more such content, then don't forget to hit like, share and subscribe to Curly Tales. This is Gina Lenandar signing off.